Guys, so welcome to our first mini cooking series. My name is Chef Andrea. I'm the caterer for Portage College. Today we're going to be making egg roll in a bowl. It's a super easy dish. It's perfect if you only have 15-20 minutes to make dinner. You need something good, nutritious, delicious, or especially if you're craving Chinese food but you don't want to actually go get some. So today we're using ground turkey. I like it better than ground chicken. It's got a little more nutrients to it compared to chicken, and I find it's a little tastier. You can use beef, pork, any other ground meat you would like, even sausage. We aren't going to season. Normally we do with any dish, but because the sauce is very salty, I'll let you guys add the sauce first and taste it afterwards and season then if you would like. So this is about half a pound. The measurements I'm using today is enough for 2 people. You can do it for 4. It's just, I only had a little pan. So while the turkey cooks, you could be making a noodle or a side to go with this. I like eating mine with vermicelli noodles. I find it's very flavorful and definitely adds to the dish. Alright, so once the turkey is done, you can just put it to the side. And we're just going to use the same pan as we did with the turkey. You're going to add a little bit more oil. And we're going to soften the onions. So I have about half a white onion in here. In this dish too, you can add mushrooms, cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, anything you want really. It's a great way to get rid of leftover veggies you have that are going to go soon. Anything you add won't destroy it. It just adds flavor and nutrients. Okay, so once the onions are pretty soft, not quite translucent, but almost, we're going to add some shredded carrots. I have 1 cup in here. All right, now the onions should be translucent and your carrots are getting softer. So we're going to add the cabbage in. So I have it already shredded. Just gonna keep mixing until the cabbage is slightly wilted. So the sauce we're adding in today has 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, a 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, and you can add 1 tablespoon of Hoisin sauce as well. It is kind of high in sodium, so I did add that as an option. So feel free to add sriracha if you'd like. I added that as well as parsley, roasted sesame seeds, as well as the vermicelli noodles on the bottom. Bon appetit!